Burning petroleum or gasoline releases CO2 and methane. 1 liter of petrol emits about 2.3 kilograms of CO2. This is roughly equivalent to the weight of a standard brick or a small notebook. So every time you fill up a 50-liter fuel tank, you are indirectly releasing about 150 kilograms of CO2, approximately the weight of a refrigerator. Globally, oil use contributes to 33% of all energy-related CO2 emissions. And we still cannot forget on oil spills, which contaminate oceans, killing marine life and damaging ecosystems.